Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Let me walk you through a couple of strategies into what to look for when you're looking for products to sell on Amazon, all right? So I'm actually on my computer right now, and let me just show you a couple of products. Now these are scissors, right? So these are basically scissors, normal kids scissors, blunt scissors, right? Now rather than jump on normal scissors for adults, why don't you vary it up? So that's what we call finding a niche within a niche. So rather than just sell normal scissors, find out what are some other ways in which you can modify the product? You know, left-handed scissors, right-handed scissors only, left-handed scissors for kids, right? Right-handed scissors for kids, right? So vary it up a little bit. So let's just run the numbers on this very basic product, right? It is a very basic product. It's a product that not much can really go wrong with this particular product, right? Yeah, sure, a kid could stab itself or cut itself by accident, right? But it's no AA batteries. It's a relatively lightweight product. It's certainly small, and it's something that you can brand if you went down that avenue and wanted to brand your own product, which is highly advisable, right? So the numbers of this particular product, as you can sort of see here, again, these are very simple, lightweight products. They're actually doing some pretty good revenue, right? So this one here is doing 10,000, or what one's that? That's okay, so it's a left-handed school left and right-handed blunt 6-pack scissors, right? You've got other ones here. These are normal scissors right here. So guys, these are left and right-handed scissors, and I believe these are these are basically antibacterial scissors as well. So again, that's another way of standing out. Everything these days, eco-friendly, sustainable, bamboo. If you have all the nice materials that people want, right, that's something to look for in terms of products as well. We have a lot of students who are involved with us who do a lot of the eco-friendly, sustainable, which is certainly the future of where we're going right now. But like I mentioned here, guys, you know, it's pretty incredible in terms of these, you know, product. It's a very simple product. It's lightweight. It's something that won't really cost you a whole bunch of money to jump on. And don't forget, what we talked about is stand out in some way. Rather than just going after normal scissors, can you vary or modify the product in some way, shape or form by doing left-handed scissors for kids, you know, antibacterial or whatever, right? So it's like the same thing with cups, you know, drinking cups. Can you do left cups or left-handed cups that are eco-friendly or sustainable, or maybe cups just for the car that fit into the car, or maybe cups for your bike when you're riding the bike and you want to drink fresh Gatorade or water, right? So cup holders, right? So rather than jumping on normal cups, can you vary it up in some way, shape or form and modify it for something else, like for cars, bikes, automobiles, boats, or recreation watercraft, right? So have a great day, guys. By the way, don't forget, if you haven't yet checked out one of our live webinars, check it out below this video. There's a link. Give that link a click and have a chat with one of our team members. If you're thinking about selling on Amazon, but you're not too sure, you have questions like, you know, what product am I going to get launched? Maybe you're not too sure in terms of, you know, how long will it take to actually get a product launched. Maybe you're not too sure of the steps involved, right? Just have a chat with one of our team members. They can answer some of your questions. If you have product ideas, bring them up on the call. But I would love to work with you. We do workshops all around Australia and New Zealand. I would love to meet you in person, shake your hand one day, and actually help you get something up and running on Amazon. Have a great day, guys. Talk to you real soon. Bye-bye for now. See you later. My goal is to help as many people on this planet as possible. People that are positive, people wanting a positive change in their life, people wanting to start afresh, finding hot and trending products to sell online, and people wanting to make a positive impact for their family.